Okay guys, so welcome back to another channel. So that the previous one of this carburetor, which is this one, and I used it before. So this is the video part. I make a 100cc bike by still using the original carburetor. So today's video, maybe I'm gonna show you with this box. Maybe I'm gonna put this TWK carburetor, the high performance, into this bike. So I'm gonna see how would it works. So it doesn't come with carburetor like this. So it comes with the red valve. Let me show you. So this is how the red valve looks like. So the original one is probably, I think it's inside. So for this one, the red valve is inside here, as you can see, like those flat thing. Yeah, so, and that's where you put the carburetor, the first one. So like for this one, it's the air filter. It's for the front, like this. So like this, I just put it on the front of the air filter. So it's quite okay to have open space like this because it's a high performance, but I think it's better for a filter so the dust won't go in. So let's get installed it first. But first of all, I need to open this thing. Okay, so it's already open. Oh, what's that thing? Okay, so it's already open, but it's looking like this. Wait a second. I don't think this thing has a red valve. So yeah, that's the thing. And there's the gasket for this thing. So I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna install this one, the new one, which is right here. Okay, so let's open this thing up first to screw it inside. After the assembly is looking like this. So this the red valve over here, and this is the hole for the intake, and this is the casing which we're gonna put here. I think it's fit, right? Yes, it's fit. It's fit inside. Okay, so let's install it. We're gonna so it like this, but it's really hard. You can see like you need to put the screw inside. Yeah, like this. Like for the previous one, for this one, you need to put it outside. Just need to put it inside. Then you can put this thing inside here. Yeah, but let me tighten it first. Okay, so after it's done, let me test first. Let's put it here. Now hopefully it's right. Yeah, it's right. So then this part here. Okay, I think it's really fit. And let's install the screws. Inside the box, it came with this. It came with this too. So this I think is about size 28. This is 24. But the 24 it's pretty small. But it's really fit. It's really fit here. But if the 28 one, like you see, it's really big space and it's really loosened. So this the better size. But if I use this one, and this thing is also 24. So it's also 24. But I doesn't know why it won't fit. So I guess I have to trim this. I have to trim this first. Okay, so burn with the lighter. Okay, fit nice. Yeah, I think that's perfect. Time to tighten it with this one. Guys, can it came with the set. So this is for the fuel hose, but this is much larger, so I think I can use this one. So I mean that's okay, but I hopefully come with the size. Yeah, I think this much be the better one. So I'm gonna tighten it first. Oh, so it's like this. Wow, it looks amazing. So I need to unscrew these all parts so that I can fit into here. So basically I need to open this top to insert the carburetor in and the fuel system, which is this one. Okay, so I already opened the fuel thing. So I can open the top of the carburetor. Yes, okay. So I already open it. So you need to open the string inside. See? Yeah, it's this thing. So just push it. Just push like this, and you may take it out. Okay, and take it off. Okay. So after you're done, put this back inside in. If you have a better way, so let me know in the comment below. So I'll open it, and it's probably like, yes, so like this. So since this tube can't fit here, yeah, it's can't fit over here, so I gonna just, you can't fit here, you're just gonna cut. I'm just gonna put oil filter instead. It's much better. So this thing, like, it really fits down here, and it really fits up here. Yeah, so it will look like this. Yeah, so it's pretty much better. So the next part, I'm gonna put cable. Yeah, the cable into here, but I need to pull more. Yes, so the cable will fit over here. So I'm gonna open it. So the inside is probably look like this. So this so basically, if your cable is long enough, you can use this one, but like for now I don't need this one. So I just slot in like this, and as you can see, yeah, you slot inside this thing. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Okay, so it's finally done, but I don't put the top part, because if I to put the top part, it doesn't have space to put it inside. So like, for your suggestion, if you have the better cable, you can slot in like this. You can slot in here, but like for now it doesn't have enough space. But anyways, it probably works. You can see it works. So I already turned on the fuel. I already filled some gas. Let's probably let the gas goes in. Yeah, and let's start. Okay, so I've at the ground level. So I already setting it a little bit. So let's try kick this thing out. Fuel on. Okay, let's go. Woo! And it start. Okay, so finally start. So let's get through to see the RPM. Okay, it's like 2000 and above. Okay, so it's been about 2,000 RPM. So let's see this how it's performance like. That's probably a lot of fuel. So if I tune those carburetor, and if I tune the carburetor and want some engine, because this is an 100cc engine stock, so it's not quite performance. So yeah, but it do actually work. It do actually work. So yeah, that's the video for today. So don't forget to like and subscribe.